This is the most exciting thing we've made at Firefly since we started AFPing our barrels for A330 and Alpha. My name's Tyler Ayer. I've been at Firefly for about 6.5 years. I'm the design lead of aerospace structures. What that means is I'm in charge of all the designs for our launch vehicles and our spacecraft. This is the A330 Stage 1 RP dome for our flight tank. This is the very first AFP dome in Firefly's history. The significance of this dome's allowing us to be 35% lighter, and we're making them 3 times as fast. Domes are so hard to make with carbon composite because of the complex topography. Whenever you have topography like that, the material does not want to naturally sit down. If you take a flat plate and you make that out of composite, that's very easy to put material down where you want it. Whenever you get into complex topography like this, your flat pattern shape, the way the material is laid down by the technician, plays a large role into part quality. And by going to AFP, you're really removing that variability, and you're able to make domes more consistently, more accurately, of a higher quality. It's also our first toe-steered product at Firefly. What toe steering allows us to do is have continuous fibers in the load path, and that allows us to have lighter, more optimized structures. So what we're looking at right now is the A330 S1 RP dome and our dome cart. The next work cell for it is our KUKA trim and drill center over in the room next door. The A330 S1 RP dome will come back from the trim and drill cell over here, and it'll wait to be integrated into the jig. Once it's integrated into our assembly jig and everything's ready to go, we'll slide this jig on down over here and we'll assemble it into our barrel, and that'll turn our barrel into a tank when we combine the barrel and the dome. And then we'll send the tank out to the test stand where it'll go through its full test cycles. After successful testing, it'll come back into the building and we'll be shipping it off to Northrop Grumman to fly to the space station.